Ma'am, in the second, the first phase of Moro's reflex, there is extension. There's abduction at the shoulder, extension at the elbow, and opening up of the fingers. And this reflex develops at 28 weeks, and therefore it's present in this infant. However, the second reflex, in which we have adduction of the shoulders, flexion at the elbow, is not present in this baby, as this reflex develops by 34 weeks, and therefore it's absent in this baby.
Okay. So now your diagnosis?
The diagnosis is preterm male child who's 24 hours old, born by elective LSCS, who is appropriate for gestational age. He shows signs of respiratory distress.
Okay. Now there was a question here. See, small for gestational age, appropriate for gestational age, and large for gestational age can again be divided into 3. So you have 3: preterm, term, postterm. So 9 subtypes are there in every 3. So you have total 9 subtypes. Okay. Somebody had asked that question in the chat box. That's why. Okay, fine. Good. Vishaka, good. At least itna to aana chahiye. Huh? It is not that they will carry you till the last. Somewhere you will be stopped for resuscitation, and then now they will ask you what are the differential diagnoses of a newborn respiratory distress in a newborn.
So, ma'am, in a preterm.
No, normal, in a normal. What
Uh,
are the causes of respiratory distress in a newborn baby?
okay,
So
so
how are you going to say?
it could be
Correct.
respiratory distress. Then there could be
Hmm.
apnea of prematurity. Then there
Hmm.
could be then there could be development of pneumonia.
Hmm.
Then there could be transient tachypnea of newborn.
So
Um,
you should say, I will now enumerate respiratory causes, cardiac causes, and other causes. So in my respiratory causes, I will divide into preterm and term. So preterm or term, it could be transient tachypnea of newborn. If it is a preterm, it is an hyaline membrane disease, and if it is a term, it could be muconium aspiration syndrome. Okay, these 3. Then you can say the other least common causes are like pneumonias, pneumothorax. Okay, if the mother is suffering from any fever or so these are the least, or any other congenital anomalies of the lungs like cyst.
Cystic
Okay.
fibrosis.
Or any other congenital like it's very difficult for you people to adenomas of the lungs, cystic adenomas of the lung, adenomatous lungs. Then you go to CVS cause. It could be anything in CVS, congenital heart disease, that is, or PD, whatever, but CVS causes. In that way you have to go. Or it could be if this is a twins, the twin to twin transfusion ho gaya hai, this child is anemic, so this child is breathless. So these are the other, but CVS, RS, and other causes.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
So good. So your diagnosis was this. So now the questions are your term, preterm, Ballard scoring. You have to remember. Okay, that is that. And Baki, I think you have done good. Neonatal ये okay. Okay, ठीक है. I don't think. Mainly, I wanted to ask because yesterday we took a jaundice. Today we wanted to ask you about the term preterm baby ka difference. Preterms ka. What more? What are the more complications you see in preterm? They have less subcutaneous
Less
secretion.
reserve, yeah,
Yeah. So
and
they
they
will be
have
what?
less river
Hypothermia.
reserves as well.
Correct.
Hypokalemia, then hypoglycemia, then there is more risk of hypothermia because of less reserve. Then
Hmm.
there are more chances of infections.
Hmm.
Uh, then there is
And
necrotizing enterocolitis.
correct.
Um,
Everywhere
then
there is an immaturity, na? So they have
yes,
immature, fragile veins or in the brain. So
there's
IVF,
hemorrhage. Yeah,
correct.
intraventricular hemorrhage.
Intraventricular hemorrhage,
Intrahemorrhage.
hypoxia. So you have to read that chart which is in that ghai. So that covers your all newborn.
Yes.
Okay, good. Any questions अभी बाकी के लोगों को?
Ma'am, can you repeat the questions asked to differentiate between respiratory and cardiac causes of difficulty in breathing?
Yeah, respiratory causes में क्या होगा? See, the baby will not be that breathless while he is feeding, but if he has a congenital heart disease, you will have suck, rest, suck cycle. Okay? And in that suck, rest, suck cycle, you will also get a history of sweating, that is diaphoresis on the head. This 1 day old baby, it's very early, but I have just given her that scenario. 1 day is very early. Then
Ma'am, also coronary atresia.
coronary atresia and at birth, you will find what history will you get of coronary atresia?
Ma'am, the baby
Babies
is
are
while
obligatory
feed.
nasal, babies are
Uh,
obligatory nasal breathers. Okay, they can breathe
yes.
through their nose, but that doesn't mean they can't breathe through their mouth because in newborns' mouth is full of the tongue. The tongue
Mm.
covers the whole mouth. That is the reason they breathe through their nose. But if there is any obstruction, they can breathe through their mouth. Choanal atresia, the baby can't breathe through their mouth or nose. So when they cry, they
So
become
white,
pink.
pink, and
Okay.
when they are feeding, they become blue, cyanotic.
Correct. Another reason they are not feeding well because this baby may have a small chin that is called as Pierre-Robin syndrome or sequence. So the tongue is large, the tongue goes back. So these babies are placed on prone position. That is another they are seen, they may become breathless. That is the reason. Okay, but for you people don't think so much. What you said was okay. The newborn ka history is fine for you. We will give you a normal newborn only जिसमें jaundice रहेगा बाकी और कुछ नहीं because these babies are not kept with the mother ना breathless mother these are usually given to the NICU so these
NIC.
babies will not feed they will not give you they will give you only a normal but who is not feeding ये आएगा the baby is not feeding well so you have to ask whether the mother is taking the baby in a proper position proper latching हो रहा है क्या that you have to ask. And then one more thing, when you on examination, you should have seen the mouth of the baby. Why
Okay.
the baby is not sucking or not latching properly? Cleft palate hai kya? Then the tongue tie. You have seen any babies with a tongue tie? Ankyloglossia? No. The tongue has to go up, but there is a tie down. The dorsum of the tongue gets attached to the floor of the mouth, and the tongue can't go up. And that's the reason that baby can't feed properly. So what will you say? I will check the mouth of the baby. Okay. So why she'll ask you why you want to say no? Can natal teeth would cause difficulty in feeding? No. How will natal teeth cause difficulty? The tongue. Where does the tongue come while sucking? You see. Put your finger. Your tongue will come over the teeth. Usually you see the natal teeth downstairs. So tongue is on the teeth. So it will not cause any problem. Okay. But if the baby has an upper, it may, but usually it doesn't. Okay, ये कौन है धवल? Do we have to mention periodic breathing? No. Why do you want to mention periodic breathing? You say I have taken 1 whole minute RR and it is 60 per minute, but I have counted it for whole 1 minute. So the next question she is going to ask you, why did you count for 1 minute? So you have to say then periodic breathing. So these, see, you are your own, what you say, the Marathi and I don't know how many of you will understand Shilpakar. Means the way you take the case forward, you should know the next what question she is going to ask you and you have the answer for it. Right? In that way. But you have done good. Okay? Now, what do you want next? Now, tomorrow, now I am not there. Then, because now मेरे पास book नहीं है, I want to open the book and I want to see, and I have that ambu bag with me, so I will show you how to hold it and everything. Right? Instruments में ना ambu bag. So please, everybody read ambu bag. I will demonstrate from here how to hold and what to do. But right now I don't have it. I am outside Bombay. I will tell you on Friday evening, Friday night चलेगा? Friday night
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
do all monitoring in ये instruments. Then Friday, Saturday we will do X-rays. Okay? And थोड़ा कुछ बचा है तो न्यूट्रिशन में विटामिन सी, विटामिन डी, विटामिन ए, what questions they are going to ask you? That much I can tell you. Vitamin A, they will give you a bottle. Now you tell me how much, what are the dose that you should know. Classification of vitamin A you should know. So all these questions you can write down on a page and then that's fine. So by Sunday, I think we should complete everything and then Monday we should go for the cases. Hmm?
Okay.
Anybody wants to present one more newborn ka case from boys side or anybody? Because then we can finish. For you people to be little bold, you can do one more case of newborn. Boys सो गए सब. Who are they? चलो, who are they boys? Okay, चलो वीडियो ऑन करो सब अपने. Who wants to present? Anybody? No one. तो females ही आएंगी. Who wanted to present, Vishakha?
Ma'am, Sayuri wanted to present and even
Okay.
Shatabdi
Should I pick
Shatabdi is
up?
presenting. Yeah. Ma'am, Shatabdi is presenting the other
She's presenting
fever case, pediatric fever case.
the fever, cough and breathlessness. RS का case ना?
Fever, cough, and
हाँ.
breathlessness. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. That is okay, but that is a 4 years old child ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ. Okay, that on Monday. That on Monday.
Okay.
Okay? हाँ, that on Monday. But ये मेरे को ना न्यूबॉर्न का तुम्हारा बायहार्ट करना था. कौन है? पार्थ है? पार्थ है क्या वहाँ? पार्थ इस गायब हो गया. रोहित, धवल, चलो anybody, otherwise I will pick up and then you have to present. और कौन I can't name only. रेशमा, तुषार, where is तुषार? तुषार, ओए तुषार, मिस्टर तुषार, he is not there क्या? ये होस्ट कौन है? उसको वीडियो ऑन करो. तुषार, he is not there. ये ऑन करके सो गए क्या? हाँ विशाखा.
Ma'am, no, I think some connection issue he must
See, all
be
girls are there. Where does he stay? Remote area क्या? He stays in Chembur ना? He is in Chembur ना?
Ma'am, yes.
I can see all, but most of them are ना. सबने अपना
But
अपना
ma'am,
नाम है.
most of the but ma'am, mostly everyone has put their video on. If you have it.
हाँ, but I can see all cross. I can't. Soham, who is Soham? चलो लड़कों में से I want to pick up from C. You do whatever mistakes you want here. I can remember your face. हाँ, मैं ही रहूंगी internal, so you will get good marks. चलो. ये जीवा कौन है? जीवा is a boy or girl?
Boy, ma'am.
ये कौन है जीवा? हाँ, his mic is on. Jiva, say hi.
Yes,
Jiva,
ma'am.
will you present tomorrow?
Hi,
Okay, Jiva, will
hi,
you
ma'am.
present tomorrow? Yeah. Will you present tomorrow, Jiva?
Yes, okay,
A
ma'am.
newborn case? Okay. So
Yes,
you have my
yes.
number?
Yes, yes.
You have my number? Just give me one hi. So I will send you the
No, ma'am.
case. वो उससे ले लेना, विशाखा से ले लेना.
Okay.
Okay. And then tomorrow you can present.
Okay.
अरे be bold. I will give you a very simple case.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
worry,
Yes,
यार
yes.
ऐसा. And tomorrow you
Yes,
all
yes.
have to tell me today all questions, term, preterm, differentiation. Then what questions I asked you? All those questions. Ballard scoring. What is Ballard scoring? Okay.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else? Anything else you want to ask?
Ma'am,
So
Sayuri.
newborn, okay, the newborn may you will have a full question on long questions on neonatal jaundice, neonatal sepsis, then neonatal hypoglycemia, that is infant of a diabetic mother. Okay, then short notes on hyaline membrane disease, then hemorrhagic disease of newborn, meconium aspiration syndrome. These are the most common, and RDS, that is hyaline membrane disease, and term. term and preterm baby complications, and most of them are your KMC. You know what is KMC, Vishaka?
Kangaroo mother care. It is used for
Kangaroo. What are the components?
the components of KMC, proper breastfeeding, then skin to skin contact, and early this thing,
Good, good. Very good. So it is
ambulation.
kangaroo position. So kangaroo position, kangaroo nutrition, and
Yes,
early discharge and follow-up.
early discharge.
Okay, good. Follow. So that kangaroo mother care that is important. And breastfeeding. What are the advantages of breastfeeding? And so when you say advantages of breastfeeding, it should come to the baby, to the mother, to the family, and to the society or the country. ये चार आना चाहिए. Okay, then what is the advantages of breast milk to the baby? You have to enumerate everything. Carbohydrates क्या है, proteins क्या है, fats क्या है. Fats means your long chain fatty acids, which helps to develop your retina, your CNS and nerve myelination. Everything should come in that. Okay, so that these are the questions which we ask on the long questions. And short questions I told you. Neonatal resuscitation comes as a short note. It doesn't come as a long note. So only that flow chart you have to write. That's done. So see, I've given you all the questions now of neonate.
Yes.
Okay, so Jiva will present tomorrow. I will send that case on your you please forward him.
Yes, ma'am.
And by so Thursday we do one case, then Friday I will take your instruments.
Okay.
Only basic instruments what we are going to keep, because we have not taught you, so there's no point in asking you all difficult, but what are the main, so just read from your क्या books है तुम्हारे पास, which books you
छेड़ा
have?
है और छेड़ा
हाँ, and मेहरबान सिंह है? No. Okay, whatever you have, you can read from that. So with each instrument, at least you should speak out 3 to 4 lines. Bas. So whenever you take any instrument, now I have taken this instrument as my mobile phone, name it. Okay. So name. And then you remember 4W and 1H. 1H means remember one husband and 4 wives, W. So what it is, where it is used, when it is used, and how it is used. So all these questions you have to remember and then answer, finished. Now like this, what it is a mobile phone. Where it is from, it's from the company called as Apple. When it is used for calling and receiving the phone calls, like that. You have to remember and you have to answer those questions. Okay. Then what are the parts of it? So you have to name the parts of that instruments. That is the easiest way to remember, and at least 4 lines you should be by heart to say, and don't repeat any line again and again. Some people what they do, now this is a self-inflating bag. हो गया? Then second line again, this is an ambo bag. अरे but एक बार हो गया ना. So don't repeat that. Okay, anybody else? Any problem? कौन है? I can't see anybody. आशीष कहाँ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, Ashish?
No, ma'am. All
You have
good.
any question? No? So I have done your neonate. हो गया. If you want those chapters in particular, like neonatal jaundice, how to write neonatal sepsis, I can take that. But if you
Yes.
want, otherwise if you want to waste time, you can just go. As I said, ये 4 words ध्यान में रखने का, W and 1H, and write it according to that.
Ma'am, one
Okay.
question is there in the chat box.
Yeah. Ma'am, any change of university exam getting postponed? How do I know, yaar? I am not in that NUHS. I have neither been paid, because you people have not been paid, paying the fees, you know. Dean sir said, बच्चे लोग fees नहीं दे रहे, इसलिए we have not been paid for 5 months. No, Baba, I don't think so. Your exam will get postponed, because anyhow we are going to take the exams right now. From 1st October is a university exam now for the repeaters, and they are coming and we are taking it face to face. So tomorrow nahi, I don't think any chance. Now we will take your क्या लेने वाले तुम्हारा अभी? प्रीलिम्स ना? योर प्रीलिम्स आर देयर ना नाउ?
Yes, ma'am. Prelims.
Yes, ma'am. From 12th of October.
After prelims you will get an holiday and then तुम्हारा एग्जाम होगा. I don't think there will be any change in the year. For 1st November they are going to start the colleges ना, they are saying 1st November से.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1st November they want to start, or what my gut feeling is there that they will tell you that we will, but तुम्हारा तो खत्म ही हो गया, दो first year का they are going to tell you go in the second year, we'll start the course of second year, but as soon as it opens you have to give the first MBBS exam और second MBBS का जो है, पर तुम लोगों का नहीं मालूम क्या होने वाला है. Difficult है. तुमको मालूम होगा ना? You don't know anything? No.
Ma'am, the UGC guidelines says that after reopening of colleges, it has to be 2+1. So like 2 months of clinics, after that 1 month holiday and then exam. So then 3 months after opening of college. So
कभी
if
but when?
college is open in November, then February में exam होगा, according to the UGC guidelines.
So what I feel, you will be passed and you will go for your internship, but you have to come back and give your exam. You will not get a certificate. ऐसा है, ऐसा होने वाला. I think so. I don't know, Papa. See, Dean also doesn't tell anything. That is. ये क्या लिखा है? मैम, any chance of university exam getting postponed? तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर. क्या लिखा है रे? तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर. Who has written this? ये कौन है? शंतनु? मेरे मुंह में काई का घी शक्कर. No way, nothing. But still, I want you people to pass. If anybody of you has any problem, just मेरा नंबर तो इसके पास है, आशीष के पास. I think everybody has now. So what exactly you want? Which question is disturbing you? You tell me. I will just clear it. Okay. But exams are going to be very, what you say, easy. We are not going to put any difficult questions.
Okay.
चलो.
मैम
तो,
पिछले वालों के मार्क्स, टर्म एग्जाम के मार्क्स
बताए नहीं आपको?
No.
मैं कैसे
ma'am.
डालूं? I will put that PDF. हाँ ये.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम फास्टर में डाल दो ना प्लीज बस.
Ma'am, last.
No. You go to the college that Sangeeta has it. We have done it. We have entered it in your internal assessment में, इसमें भरा है हमने.
Okay, I will ask Sangeeta ma'am to just send it then.
Okay, I will tell her. But
College
चलेगा
तो हम
एक
जा
इसमें
नहीं
सबको
सकते मैम.
भेजा था, but सबको भेजा, सबको समझेगा किसको क्या मिला है. That's okay for everybody.
हाँ
Yes.
चलेगा. Last year भी वही हुआ था. चलेगा.
चलेगा मैम, चलेगा.
चलेगा. Okay, then I don't mind. नहीं, I don't mind. I'll put it then. You will get it. चलेगा. Don't worry. And your
Thank you, ma'am.
prelims will be the same, I think. Online ही जाकर आपको करना पड़ेगा. Last time जैसे लिया था ना वैसा. Hello.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
चलो, study for some time and then sleep.
Okay, ma'am.
चलो.